Hello everybody. Now a few more questions we are going to discuss from the based on Heron's formula. First is you have to find the area of an isosceles triangle. हमें isosceles triangle का area बताना है. Whose base is given to. This is base is given 2 centimeter, and that these two equal sides are given 4 centimeter. This is your 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So direct you can apply the formula of an isosceles triangle. So area of an isosceles triangle is equal to a over 4 under root 4b square minus a square, where a is the basis here and b is the equal sides. B is 4 is here. You can put the value and solve it. So a is 2 by 4 under root 4 into b, 4 square minus 2 square. Solve this one. 2 to 4, so this is 1 over 2 under root. You can solve this one. 64 minus 4, so this is 1 over 2 under root 60 centimeter square. So direct by applying this formula, area of an isosceles triangle, इसको हम direct apply करके you can find out the area of this one, or you can take this is A, this is B and C. That is also you can do. See one more question. There is a equilateral triangle is given. The area of equilateral triangle is given. Here is let for the own convenience. आप एक triangle यहाँ बनाइए. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Area is given, but we are interested to its height. We are interested to its height only. So अगर मैं side को A ले लूँ, suppose if we will draw the perpendicular from here, AM. So this perpendicular will divide this side into two equal parts. So this AM, BM will be equal to what? A by 2. We are interested in AM is here only. So first of all you have to find out the side. पहले हमें इससे side निकालना है. कैसे देखिए? Area of an equilateral triangle. Formula क्या होता है? Root 3 by 4 into side square. But the area is already given. ये area हमको already given है. You can put here 36 root 3 is equal to, केवल value रखिए, over 4 into side square. So root 3 and root 3 you can cancel. You can multiply by 4. So you will get side is here. 36 square is equal to into 4. So side is equal to, you are supposed to take the square root of this one. 36 into 4. So this is your 6 into 2, that is 12 centimeter. It means side हमको कितना मिला? 12 centimeter. This is your 12. So this BM will be equal to what? 12 by 2 means 6 centimeter. We are interested in AM. By the Pythagoras you can apply, or direct you can calculate. If we apply the Pythagoras is here, see now in triangle AMB, that is equal to AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square. AB is what? 12 whole square. AM is, we want to know, AM square plus BM is 6 whole square. You can solve this one only. So look at here. So this is AM square is equal to, you can write down 12 square minus 6 square. And this can be written as, for the own convenience I am doing 12 plus 6, A plus B and A minus B I am doing. So this is equal to 18 into 6. So AM will be equal to what? Under root 18 root to 6. You will take the square root of this one. So 6 root 3 centimeter. So that is your H is here only. Or direct you can do, that is root 3 by 2. Direct is, if we talk about, then the height is always root 3 by 2 into A. A is already given 12. You can put here only, this is the formula for the height. Then direct you can do, instead of this one, ये करने के बजाय direct भी कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ से देखिए h करेंगे तब भी यही आएगा, root 3 by 2 into h 12, 2 6 है. So you are getting 6 root 3 centimeter. This is your answer. Have a look. Yes, one more question. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle, the perimeter of isosceles triangle is given, but is saying the ratio of the equal sides, ratio of equal side and its base is 3:2. Means what exactly the question is saying? This is your isosceles triangle, but is saying the ratio in base, this base and these two equal side is 3:2. It means the ratio is 3:2. It means if we can assume that this is 3x, this will also be the 3x and base is 2x. Means the ratio of equal sides, these two are given equal and base is this one. So in case of the solution, let the equal sides be 3x. So base will be equal to what? 2x. Base is 2x. But he's saying perimeter is already given 32. Perimeter is 32. It means sum of all these three sides. Now perimeter is sum of all the sides. Perimeter you can say here is the AB plus BC plus AC. So this is 32 is equal to 3x plus 2x plus 3x. So here you will get 32 is equal to 8x. So x is equal to 32 over 8 is equal to 4. So you know the value of x is there. You know the value of x. You can put the value of x. X की value यहाँ रखिए. You will get the sides. So therefore you will get the sides. You will get is there 3x means 3 into 4, that is 12. So this side is your 12 centimeter you can say, and this is also the 12 centimeter. And this BC side is 2x, that is 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. This is your 8 centimeter. Now you know the sides 12, 12 and 8. You can apply direct the isosceles triangle का formula direct you can apply, or Heron's formula you can apply here. See, अगर मैं S करता हूँ तो S is already will be equal to 12 plus 8 over 2. It means that is 32 over 2 is 16. Now area you can apply under root 16, 16 minus 12, 16 minus 12, 16 minus 8. So here this is 16 into 4 into 4 into 8. So here you can take out the 4 is common, from here is 4 is common, and 1, 2 take out common, inside the radical sign remain 2. So this is what? 32 root 2 centimeter square. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is a traffic signal board indicating a school ahead. This is your traffic signal board which is going to indicate a school ahead of an equilateral triangle of the side A. Sides of these triangle is A is given. That is an equilateral triangle is already given. We are supposed to find the area of this triangle first of all by using the Heron's formula. And second is saying if its perimeter is 180. If the perimeter of this one triangle is 180, then what will be the area of this board is there. So this question is the combination of the two questions. इसमें क्या दो question है. पहले हमारा क्या है, by using the Heron's formula, by taking the sides, length is A, small a, you have to find the area of this one. Second part में हमें क्या है, perimeter given है, उससे side A निकालना first, then you have to find the area of this one. So first part I am taking. This is the very important point is here only. ये इसमें दो क्वेश्चन अटैच्ड हैं. वन इज दिस वन एंड सेकंड इज फ्रॉम द पेरीमीटर. तो हियर द साइड्स आर गिवन फॉर द ओन कन्वीनियंस. यू कैन अज्यूम लेट x is equal to a is also y and z. All the sides are equal. You can assume this is x, y and z for the own convenience. अपनी सुविधा के लिए you can take this one on. As usual we will do. You have to find the s, that is x plus y plus z over 2. So that is a plus a over 2. Is 3a over 2. This is your S. That is your semi-perimeter. तीनों का sum करिए, divide by 2, you will get the semi-perimeter. Simply you can apply the formula. Area of a triangle is by Heron's formula S minus x. Here is A is actually x. S minus y, S minus z. You can put the value of here only. S is what? 3a by 2. X is a, y is also a, z is also a. You can put here 3a by 2. Here is 3a by 2 minus a, 3a by 2 minus a, 3a by 2 minus a. Here you will solve this one. See, this is 3a by 2 as it is. Here you will solve, you will put 1 is here only, you will take the LCM, you will take LCM, so 2 divided by 2, 1 into 3, 3a minus a, same as here you will get 3a minus a by 2, here is also the same, 3a minus a by 2. So finally what you are getting is here, under root, this 3a by 2 into, this is what? 3a minus a, 3a minus a, sorry, this is 2a, this is 2a. So 3a minus 2a, that is a by 2 and a by 2. This is a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2. So you can write down this one is 3 into, this 3a by 2 can be written as 3 into a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2, a by 2. You can make the pair. So here you will get a by 2, 1 from here only, a by 2 from here, a by 2 आप यहाँ से बाहर, यहाँ से root 3. So what you are getting is root 3 and 2 to the 4 into 4 a square. So this is your first part. First part is over. The area of this triangle will be equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Now it's saying you have to find the area of this triangle. अब हमें area निकालना है. अगर इसका perimeter 180 है, तो you have to find out the side first. So look at here now. Look at here. Perimeter is given 180. Perimeter is 180, and that is equal to what? Sum of these three sides, a plus a plus a. So direct I am doing, this is 3a. So what you will get? A is equal to 180 over 3. So that is 60 centimeter. So side of this triangle is 60 centimeter. And that value of a you can put here only. Direct you can put here. You can find the area of this triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. So this is root 3 by 4 into a is 60 whole square. Root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60, 15. So that is 900 root 3 centimeter square. And this is your second answer. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है? This is two questions are given in this one only. पहले आपको Heron's formula से you have to find this one only. Then perimeter, taking perimeter, you have to find the area of this one. Have a look. Yes. Now another problem is, question is the perimeter of a triangle. किसी triangle का perimeter 50 centimeter दिया है. But there is a relation in the sides. Sides में relation दिया है. वो क्या बोल रहा है? कि one side is of a triangle is 4 centimeter longer than the smaller side. जो भी smaller side है उससे एक side 4 centimeter longer है. And the third side is the 6 centimeter less than twice the smaller side. And third side, smaller side के twice से 6 centimeter less than है. You have to find the area of the triangle. So for the own convenience, I am going to draw the triangles here. अपनी सुविधा के लिए ट्रायंगल ले लीजिए, let it ABC, and we can assume let the smallest side is x. In a solution, you can say let the smallest side be x centimeter. This is, I am taking this is equal to a, and this is I am taking b and c, and b is the side which is 4 centimeter longer than this one. So a is x है, तो this b will be equal to what? 4 centimeter longer, that is x plus 4. And this third side is twice of this smaller. इसका twice से कितना कम है? 6 centimeter. So c will be equal to what? 2x minus 6. This is the important point. Let the smaller side is x. Smaller side को x लो. ये side कितना? That is 4 centimeter longer than this smaller. ये side इससे 4 centimeter ज़्यादा है. And this is the 6 centimeter smaller less than the twice of the smallest side. So smaller side is x we are supposing. So 2x minus 6. But the perimeter will be, what will be the perimeter of triangle? Perimeter of a triangle will be equal to what? That is a plus b plus c. So this is already given, perimeter is already given 50 centimeter. A is x, b is x plus 4, c is 2x minus 6. You can solve this one. You can find the value of x is here. 50 is equal to 2x and 2 4x. This is minus 2, you can transpose, so 4x is equal to 50 plus 2, that is 52. So x is equal to what? 52 over 4. So 4 1 is 4 3. So you know x is equal to 13. So what you are getting is here, that is A will be equal to x is equal to 13 centimeter. B is equal to what? That is x plus 4. X plus 4, so that is 13 plus 4 is 17. And C is 2x minus 6. 2x minus 6, you can put the value of x is here. 2x minus 6, so this is 2 into 13 minus 6, so that is 26 minus 6 is 20. So these are your sides is there. You know this side, you know this side, you know this side. You can find out the area of this triangle. Look at here now. Now you know the sides, directly you can apply. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is P by 2, that is 50 by 2 is 25. So your semi-perimeter is 25 centimeter, and you know the sides here. You can find out the area of this triangle by applying the Heron's formula. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So here is under root. S is what? 25. 25 minus A is 13. 25 minus 17. 25 minus 20. So this is equal to under root 25 into 25 minus 13 is 12, and this is your 8, and this is 5. You can do the factor. So you can take out the 5 from here, or you can do 5 into 5. This is 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 1 5. 2 2's you can take out, and rest of the numbers will remain inside the sign. 6 30, so root 30. So this is your 20 root 30 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is, there is a triangular side walls of a flyover used for advertisement. This is a flyover is there. This is in the triangular form. One board is there which is we used for the advertisement. ये triangular की form में जिसको हम advertisement के लिए use कर रहे हैं. Company is going to pay for this one only 5,000 rupees per meter square for 1 year. For 1 year he is going to pay 5,000 per meter square. But we want to know how much amount the company will pay for the 3 months. 3 महीने के लिए वो कितना पे करेगी? If the company is going to pay the 5,000 rupees per meter square per year. 1 year में 5,000 1 meter square के लिए. So first of all you have to find out the area of this one. So for the own convenience, direct I am going to do. Here we can assume that A is 122. This is B, you can take like 120. And C is 22. So S, semi-perimeter you must calculate. So 122 plus 120 plus 22 over 2. So this is equal to, you can add, this is 4, 4, 6 and 2 over 2. So this is equal to 132. This is your semi-perimeter is there. Now you can find out the area of this one. Directly you can do area is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is equal to under root. Where is S is what? 132. 132 minus 122. 132 minus 120 and 132 minus 22. So look at here now. This is your 132 into 122 you will subtract. So this is 10 into here is, that is 12, and here is 110. You can do the factor of this one. So this can be written as, this is 11 into 12 you can say, You can keep this is 10 as it is, 12 as it is, and this can be written as 11 into 10. Now, so from 211, 111 come out, 112 and 110 into 10. So this is, you will get 1320 meter square. This is the area of this portion, area of this one only, which we are using for the advertisement. ये किसका एरिया है जिसको हम एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं. बट नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग हाउ मच दे विल अर्न इन केस जो कंपनी है which is going to pay the 5,000 rupees per meter square. For 1 meter square, companies pay the 5,000, but for 1 year, means for the 12 months, the company is going to pay 5,000 rupees per meter square. But we had taken for the 3 months only, so how much amount we are supposed to pay? हमने केवल 3 months के लिए लिया है, so you have to calculate for this one. So look at here now. First of all, for 1 year, we are going to pay rupees 5,000 per meter square. Means for 12 months के लिए we are going to pay the 5,000 rupees. So for 1 month, how much we will pay? 5,000 over 12. Because later on we want to calculate for the 3 months. हम किस लिए पे कर रहे हैं? Only for 3 months. तो पहले यहाँ से you have to calculate for the 1 month. So this is for 1 month, but we want for 3 months. So for the 3 months it will be 5,000 over 12 into 3. You can subtract this and divide. So you will get 5,000 over 4 per meter square for 3 months only. For 3 months we are going to pay the 5,000 into over 4 per meter square. This is so your rate is here. Look at here now. यहाँ देखिए. Your rate is now we are going to pay is rupees 5,000 over 4 for 3 months per meter square for 3 months. So, but your area is this one. So to find the cost is equal to area into rate. See, you should be very careful. अगर हमारा रेट पर मीटर स्क्वायर है तो एरिया शुड बी इन स्क्वायर. सपोज रेट इज गिवन पर मीटर क्यूब, इट मींस वॉल्यूम इज देयर. पर मीटर दिया, इट मींस पेरीमीटर विल बी देयर. सो यू शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल हियर. सो एरिया इज व्हाट 1320 एंड योर रेट इज दिस वन 5,500 over 4. You can solve 4 3 0. So here you will get 0 0 0 0. 5 3 is 15, carry 1 and 6. This is the amount which company is going to pay their only. This one. Have a look. Yes. Now the question is, there is a field ABCD in the shape of the trapezium. ये एक फील्ड है ABCD trapezium की शेप में. Where these two sides are the parallel and other two sides are non-parallel sides. Length of these two sides are given 25 and 10 meter. Those who are parallel or non-parallel sides are given 14 and 13. We are supposed to find the area of this trapezium. You have to find the area of this field only, which is in the shape of the trapezium. See now. So here is the area of a trapezium is equal to, we know, 1 over 2 sum of the parallel side into distance between the parallel side. We know this formula, sum of the parallel side and distance between the parallel side. So distance between the parallel side will be this one. You can say this will be the distance between the parallel side. You can say the CM, that will be your H. But direct H we cannot calculate here only. So what we will do, हम क्या करेंगे, एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे इस AD के parallel to this AD. We are supposed to draw a line, segment is here like CN parallel to this one. Means we are going to draw AD which is parallel to NC. Parallel to NC. So now here, look at here. Now in quadrilateral ANCD. In quadrilateral ANCD. See now, AN is parallel to DC is already given है. AD is parallel to NC that we are doing. हमने क्या किया, इसके पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ की, and this is already given parallel. This side is already we are doing in a construction. So you can say this ANCD is a, therefore you can say ANCD is a parallelogram. And if it is a parallelogram, then this DC length will be equal to what? NC, AN. So therefore you can say DC will be equal to AN, that is equal to 10 meter. Opposite sides of a parallelogram is here. So this is your 10 meter. So now you can find out this NB. Now what will be your NB? NB will be equal to this AB minus AN. AB minus AN. So AB is 25 minus AN is 10. So this is 15. So this side is 15 meter. And because this is a parallelogram, so this is 14. This will also be the 14. Actually, why we are doing? हम ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि we are interested to find the height of this, means the distance between these parallel sides. So what we will do, we are supposed to find the area of this triangle first, C and B. पहले हम Heron's formula से निकालेंगे, फिर then we will use the traditional formula, general formula, 1/2 base into corresponding altitude. So you can find out the height is there. So first of all, you have to find the area of this triangle C and B by the Heron's formula. So now, area of triangle C and B. For the own convenience, you can take A. This is A is 14, B is 13, and C is 15 meter. So as usual, you have to find out the S is there, semi-perimeter. Look at here. So S will be equal to A, that is direct I am doing 14 plus 13 plus 15 by 2. So this will be equal to 42 over 2, that is 21 meter. Now the area of triangle C and B by Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So look at here. So this is under root S 21 into 21 minus A. We assume 14, 21 minus B, 13, 21 minus C is 15. Solve this one. You will get under root 21 into, this is 7. Here you will get 8 and 6. You can do the factor. So this is your 7 into 3 into 7. This is 2 into 2 into 2. Here is 16, here is 8. And this is 6 is 2 into 3. 21. 42 over 2, 21, 21 and 21 minus this is 7, 8 and 6, 14, 13 and 15 is there. So here you will get 7, 1 7 you can take out, and 1 3 and 1 2 3 4, 2 2s. So this is equal to, you will get 21 into 4, that is 84 meter square. This is the area of this triangle. This is the area of this triangle. Now again, इसी triangle का area हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? 1/2 base into altitude, that will be equal to this one. So now look at here. Because we are interested to find the h only. हमको क्या h चाहिए? Because the parallel side is already, we know this one. We are supposed to find out the h is there. Now area of triangle C and B by the general formula 1/2 into base into corresponding altitude. Area is already, we know that is 84. 1/2 base, this is your base 15 into h CA. This is your corresponding altitude. So here is h is equal to, you will get 84 into 2 over 15. This is your height. and this height you can put here and sum of the parallel side, so you will get the area of this trapezium. So look at here, this is 1 over 2, sum of the parallel side 10 plus 25, because parallel side is, this is 10 and this one is 25, into h is this 84 into 2 over 15. You can solve 2 and 2, this is, so here is 35 into 84 over 15, 5 3 ja 5 7 8 196 meter square. This is your area. So here is the important point क्या है कि इस ट्रायंगल CNB का एरिया पहले by the Heron's formula निकालो, फिर then again 1 over 2 base into altitude, so you will get h, and if you know the h, that is the distance between the parallel side. Parallel sides are already given. You can find out the area of this field trapezium. Have a look. Okay, now the question is, if each side of a triangle is doubled, then the ratio of area of new triangle thus formed, you have to find the ratio of their areas. He is saying, question क्या है कि एक ABC triangle है, अगर मैं इसकी sides को A, suppose you can take this is A, B and this is C. Then he is saying, अगर हम इन side को double कर दें, let's this is 2A, this is 2B and this is 2C. Then the question is, what will be the ratio, the areas of these two triangles? इसकी side ABC थी, उनको हमने double किया, then what will be the ratio is there? So look at here now. See, if we talk about the area of this triangle ABC, so what you will get is here, sides are given, sides are A, B and C. So S will be equal to what? A plus B plus C by 2. That is equal to, you can write down this one is equal to 2S is equal to A plus B plus C, this one. And if we find the area of this triangle ABC will be equal to what? As usual, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is your equation 1. This is the area of this triangle. Now, if the sides become a double, अगर sides double हो जाती है तो area क्या होगा? Now the area of this one. So here the side is 2A, 2B and 2C. You have to calculate the same perimeter first. So you can, for the own convenience, you can take the S this. This will be equal to what? 2A plus 2B plus 2C over 2. So this is 2, take out the common, A plus B plus C over 2. So therefore, S this is equal to A plus B plus C. Now the area of this one. Now area of triangle PQR will be equal to what? Under root S dash minus 2A, S dash minus 2B, S dash minus 2C as usual. अब देखिए यहाँ A plus B plus C क्या है? S dash है, but here is the A plus B plus C is equal to what? That is 2S is there only. This is 2S is there. So from the value of S dash here, so it means from here what you will get? आपको यहाँ से क्या मिला? S dash is equal to, that is 2S. Look at here now. This is the important point is here. देखिए A plus B plus C is equal to S and S dash is equal to A plus B plus C. So in place of A plus B plus C we can write out 2S. So what you are getting? S dash is equal to 2S. So that value you have to put here under root S dash is equal to what? 2S. 2S minus 2A, 2S minus 2B, 2S minus 2C. This is equal to under root 2S, keep as it is, into. You can take out the 2 common from here, 2 from here, 2 from here. So 2 into S minus A, into 2 into S minus B, into 2 into S minus C. यहाँ से देखिए, what you will get is here only 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 take out. Outside of this radical sign, inside the radical sign remain, this is S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So that is 4 times of S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the area of this triangle. This is the area of this triangle. Now you can take the ratio of this and this one only. So what you will take? You will take the ratio is here. Look at here now. You can take the ratio is here. So area of triangle ABC over area of triangle PQR. So area of triangle ABC is what? This one. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And area of this triangle PQR is this one. 4 under root S minus A, S minus C. You can cancel this one, so you are getting area of triangle ABC over area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 over 4, or you can say the area of triangle ABC ratio area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 ratio 4. This is your answer. Have a look.